For those of you that are young, there's always someone out there that's trying to financially take advantage of you. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to avoid those people, especially when it comes to pyramid schemes. So in this pyramid, as you can see, it took me hours to make. You've got the people at the bottom rung, and then you've got the next level, typically managers, and then after that you VPs, and then above that you have a B, which I have, is the boss. So the more I'm looking at this is actually kind of describing a job. So no, but no, I'm not talking about like a job. A job's good because you're getting paid, and yeah, it is like a pyramid. That's just how it is. But what I'm referring to is pyramid schemes. So a pyramid scheme is essentially an MLM, which involves you buying products for yourself and then at the same time recruiting others to do the same. They want you to sell to family, friends, and usually the only person making money is the B, the boss. There's no managers or really VPs. It's only that one person at the top that's making all the money, and they're making it off the backs of everyone else. So me, how did I almost fall for an MLM? You know, you're wondering, wow, this guy's got it all going. How did he mess up? But they're really good these days. I had someone who also graduated from Purdue reach out. But then after a while, I started looking at the numbers, the finances, and my wife also was going to become a salesman in there, and we were this close to signing the contract and being locked in with them. I don't know how much we would have dumped. We probably would have spent a couple thousand, and before you know it, we would have been in the hole. Our reputation would have been tarnished from trying to sell to our friends and family these on this pyramid scheme. So that's the biggest thing. I want to help you avoid it. I hate to do this, but YouTube says I need to say like and subscribe to get people to subscribe. I don't get it. If you like the content, you're going to subscribe anyway, but do it, don't do it. I don't really care, but it's there. No one can yell at me. But yeah, enough about that. First tip I would say, the biggest thing to look out for is, and this one's probably obvious, if you ever hear the word family, just run the other way, because anyone says family that isn't your family, they're trying to sell you an apple pie idea. It's not a family, it's business. They're trying to take advantage of you. Two, the second tip I'd say is the mathin. And what I mean by that is, you know, do the numbers, do the math. That's what I did. If I sold these products to my friends and family, they would be spending like 50% more on where they would somewhere else. After looking at the commission I'd be making, it just didn't seem like a good thing to build. It didn't, like, if I was going to build a brand for myself, I don't want to be associated with a product or something that's ripping off my friends and family. You know, how do you, and soon you'll get in a rut to where you're rationalizing it. So do the math, do your research before you sign anything. And the other thing I was going to say is nothing is easy. If someone's pitching you something and they're saying this is how you can get there, even these YouTube videos, any product someone's trying to sell you, typically it's not the case. They're wanting to get their cut off of it, and they're making it seem easy, so you sign up and you pay for it. At that point, they're done with you. They got what they needed out of you. They got your money, and they're on to the next person. So if it seems too easy, it probably is. And this is pretty much the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're curious to learn about anything new, leave a message in the comments, and I could potentially make a video about it in the future if it seems like it could help people out. And yeah, thank you so much.
What are you doing?
Oh, can you give me Winnie, actually? I'm waving bye. Oh, Win. See ya.